Hey guys, welcome back to This, That, and More. My name is Jackie. If this is your first time here, welcome. And if this is not your first time, welcome back. If you haven't subscribed yet, I ask that you subscribe so you can stay tuned to the videos that are upcoming. Today's video is going to be the last video of the spring series, and it's going to be showing you my worship room and my kitchen, how I clean and decorate for the spring. Have a wonderful day. Let's jump right in. I kept it very simple on this side of the house. We don't use it as much as the other side of the house. We spend more time over there. We do use this space, it's just not as often. On top of the fact that this space does have a lot of already home decor on the wall, I didn't want to overbear it by adding spring things because it just doesn't go. So I just went very minimal in this space, but just enough to have the spring vibe, the spring feel in the air. I added these two picture frames, which I actually am the one who painted these two picture frames. You probably can tell that they're painted, but I am not a painter, but I do love to paint. And these two picture frames I painted last year, and I used them in my living room space, but this year I wasn't going to use them, so I ended up placing them here, and that way it gave a little bit of spring, but not too much where it would just overthrow the entire wall decor. Because this side of the house has very minimum spring decor, I am going to focus more on the spring detail cleaning, and that is what I'm going to be showing you. So I'm not going to be talking a lot in this video. I hope that this video will inspire you and motivate you to do a detail cleaning of your space. If you already normally do that, well, more power to you, and I commend you for that. But I wanted to share this with you so that it will motivate you and just inspire you to do a detailed clean for the spring to get your house ready. And so I hope that this will motivate you. I do some decorations, and you'll see that throughout the video, and I will also show you the decor that I put in my kitchen. Now the kitchen, I don't go into the detailed cleaning of the kitchen, but I just show you a little tour of my mini kitchen and the decors that I have for the spring. But we'll get to that later, and I'll just tell you where everything's from. But for now, just watch the video as I clean and detail my instruments here, and I hope that this will motivate you to clean your space. If you haven't subscribed already, please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Comment below anything that you want. I'd like to hear from you, and I hope that you guys are having a blessed day so far, and then you have a blessed week. But keep on watching, and I'll talk to you in just a few. daisies are from Hobby Lobby, and they are from the floral section. They were originally $2.99, but they were at 50% off right now, so it was $1.99. I am kicking myself because I shouldn't grab more. They are so beautiful and they bring such a different vibe to the room, making it so inviting and beautiful for the spring. And I wish I would have grabbed more, but I am gonna go back and get a few more. I love the way they look, and I wish that I would have grabbed more, but that's okay. I'll get some more later on and I'll just add them and I'll update you guys. These two yellow pillowcases are from Amazon. They were a set of 4. I have 2 in the worship room here that I am at right now, and then the other 2 I use them on my outdoor patio. But they are a set of 4. They were $19.99. They're from Amazon. I will link them down below in the description box if I can find them, but if not, because they're about 2 years old, so I don't know if they still have them, but I'm sure they do, and I'll link them below if I can find it. But I just wanted to spruce up the sofa by changing out the pillowcases, although the blue ones went well, but I wasn't feeling the blue, so I decided to go with the yellow. And then this beige one, where I actually sold these beige ones because I didn't have 2 extra, and so these are from leftover fabric, and I just sewed them together and created a pillowcase. Here are the other 2 daisies that I mentioned earlier. These are also from Hobby Lobby. I just love the color. They're so pretty, and again, it brings a different element to the room, and so I definitely got to get some more. Hopefully I don't miss the sale, because I'm not sure. I got them on Saturday. I don't know if it was to the end of Saturday or if it's starting this week, but they're so pretty. Even at $2.99, you can beat the price. So I hope that you like them, and I hope that they will bring a different view to you as well in your home. And here is an overview of the worship room. Again, I kept it very simple, but I love it, and I hope that you liked it too. But this is the overview of everything that I cleaned and decorated for this space. And here is a small tour of my small kitchen. I have these 3 little pots that I put on my stove to give it some life. These are individual. They were $1.25, and then the pots were 3 for $1.25. Those pots are actually meant for actually planting, but I just went ahead and put them there as a visual. These towels are from Hobby Lobby. They're from their spring collection. And then this fresh carrot sign is shaped into a cutting board. Is also from the Dollar Tree for $1.25. So on this side of the kitchen, we have our island with our sink. And as you can see in the background, I have 3 baskets. They actually belong on a shelf that should be on that wall. So you can see there are holes on the wall, but I had to take it down to redo the shelf and to paint. So that is why those baskets are not up there, but these baskets are beautiful. They go with my theme, that color, that teal, blue, green. And these baskets are from the Dollar Tree, $1.25. So I keep my vegetables and my fruits there. But this is the overall my kitchen. Here are my little farm animals, and they keep me company when I cook. But my kitchen is very small, guys, just tiny, so it's a small tour, but I hope that you liked it. I love this little combination of this green and then peach going on right now for spring. But that's it. That is all that I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you liked the video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell so that you be notified of all my videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.